But again, not the best. They suck. The corners suck.
That was a wheel route by the running back. No, that was
doing
you.
The thing. It's doing the thing.
To open up, anticipate it a little bit, chunk that thing, and let my receiver do the rest of it.
Who's gonna win the Heisman? How was that not enough?
Quarterback, fourth down early in the game on your own end, and you go for it, but
Yep, see ya.
There goes Nuke. I'm getting pressured like crazy.
On third and long, hoping to throw beyond the sticks. They're working out left side. Defense falls on the ball.
Well, we're in hell. We're in hillbilly hell.
Out of the gun, they'll run it.
Oh boy.
I don't know who 83 is.
Field goal unit. Neil boot one from the right.
Miss it.
She ought to be able to navigate that angle from this distance. It's good. Second down, clock's running. Looking to go up top, and time's running out in the half. Fires to the
Just throw it the big play say.
To blocking, the running back does a great job finding the hole, exploding through.
Nope, it's a Vo issue. It's a Vo. Get him off the team.
From his end zone, he'll have to get rid of it. The Heat got 2 gains now.
Our poor quarterback's having the game of his life, but our running back can't hold on to the ball.
Looking downfield, and time is running short. Fires it down the seam.
Underthrown. That's the first one all season.
Wants to go up top on first down.
I'm there. That's a blue. That's a bluey. That's a bluey! Hey.
Oh my God, Brady.
this dude is dangerous.
Fires to the right.
Oh,
It's little.
we've been gifted. That's what it is.
Coming out on first down.
They just don't care.
Hauls it in.
I thought you were gonna run out of bounds.
Now putting your defense in a better position for third down.
Unloads
They got in the end zone.
third and very short. On the move.
Let me switch. Let me switch.
Run! Run! I'll do it myself. Defense.
Developments in this one. We've got you covered with the best studio team.